Nutritious recipe. Freshwater flakes are blended specifically to enhance the levels of omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids are extremely valuable to freshwater species for strong immune systems and cell wall development. Color boosting. Natural beta-carotenes in salmon provide excellent color enhancement. Superior quality. No meals, hydrolysates, digests, or any other pre-processed protein. Keep a cleaner tank. Our freshwater flakes are naturally insoluble, which reduces water pollution, and they have significantly less starch, which reduces fish waste. Guaranteed analysis. Min crude protein 41%, min crude fat 12%, max crude fiber 2%, max moisture 8.5%, max ash 8%. Top reviews from the United States. Fish are more vivid colors and it's a better value than I thought. I am pretty new to fish keeping and had been using a couple different kinds of tetramin flakes. After reading more about foods and realizing that a lot of them including tetramin are largely made of stuff that's not seafood, and thinking that better nutrition may help my fish live longer and healthier lives, I started reading labels and this product looked to have the highest quality ingredients, so I decided to buy it even though it was a lot more dollar than what I was paying locally for tetramin. The first good news is that this is a very big jar of food. I wasn't paying attention to the ounces but for some reason was thinking it would be about the same size as the tetramin I'd been buying for around half the price locally. Actually more than 5 times as much food. My previous food was only 1 ounce, this is 5.3. The second good news is that within a couple weeks my Tetra's colors were markedly more vivid, neons, black neons, and glow lights. Especially the blue of the nons. And I also have a neon blue Mickey Mouse platy whose color is noticeably more blue and iridescent. My blue, rust-colored betta, red platies, sunset platies, and orange swordtails were pretty vivid to begin with, so I am not really sure if their colors are richer now or not. But I am definitely impressed at how great the others look. And of course I am confident this food is better for them, since it is made mostly of several kinds of seafood. It took them a few days to get used to it but now they gobble it up.